to renew, you're going to go to shsu.edu, and then you're going to click on Campus Tools and MySam. Once you get logged into your MySam account, you're going to click on the Students tab. And on the left-hand side, you'll see Housing Portal. You're going to go to the Housing Portal. This is the same process that you went through when you first did your application. You're going to click Apply here. The term for this upcoming academic year is 22-23. So you'll click Apply. We're going to go through the same steps that you did when you first did your application, although you'll notice that there's no deposit page. That deposit that you put down the first time you completed your application will roll with you as long as you stay on campus. So you won't be directed to that page to pay again. I'm going to walk through our steps, make sure your personal contacts and details are all updated and accurate. Missing student information, make sure that all of that information is updated. Should you need any special accommodations in the event of an emergency, you'll want to click this box right here. Otherwise, just leave it blank. Save and continue. You're going to find that questionnaire page again where you enter your social media handles. It should populate everything that you put in the last time. Then we're going to save and continue to the next step, which will be actually picking your room. So this is slightly different than the first time you did it. Instead of waiting until May to pick your room, you're going to actually pick your room that you're going to stay in next year right now. You'll notice that Bearcat Village is available to you at this time. The benefit of Bearcat Village is that there's no dining plan required, which makes the overall cost less because that dining plan is then optional. So you'll select a building. If you'll notice down at the very bottom, we have San Jacinto Hall. So that is our new residence hall that's currently under construction right now. But if you would like to be one of the first to live in that hall this coming fall, then you can select that. Once you select a building, it's going to take you to an actual rooms list page. This is where you're going to pick the room that you'll be in. San Jacinto Hall is a traditional style, so it's 4 to a bathroom, 2 to a room. Once you find a room that you want, you'll add that reservation. And then scroll to the bottom and save and continue. Once you get to that next page, you're actually going to pick which bed space, whether you want A or B. And then you're going to assign that bed. Note at the top that you have a timer for this reservation. If you take longer than 10 minutes to make up your mind or get stuck on this page, it will time out and that bed will not be available to you. Next, it's going to show you what room you picked, what hall, the suite, the room, and the bed. So you'll save and continue. At that point, it'll also let you know if there's any roommates that have already selected those spaces. And here's where you'll be able to click on the terms and conditions of the contract. You'll actually sign the contract. This contract will be emailed to you after you complete the application. Please read over the contracts to make sure that you're aware of what you're signing. And then you'll get to this page where you can stop. If you're happy with the room that you have, then there's no need to go any further. Clicking on this room change is only if you want to go and see if there's a different room available. This option will be open until March the 10th at 5 o'clock. Otherwise, once you make your reservation, you're good to go. You can then log out and you'll receive your confirmation email. If you have any questions about it, always remember you can contact the ResLife office. We'd be happy to walk you through it. Our office will be open during renewal starting March the 8th at 6 a.m. We'd be happy to help.